Hey guys, welcome back to On the Menu. Today we are making another dump cake, which is everyone's favorite. So today this is a pumpkin cheesecake dump cake. If you haven't already seen my sweet potato dump cake recipe, go check it out. It's a fave. This one is going to be a favorite too. So we're going to start with two 8-ounce packages of cream cheese softened to room temperature. We're going to zest 1 lemon, add in a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For our pumpkin filling, we're using one 29-ounce can of pumpkin puree and a 1/2 cup of each brown sugar and white granulated sugar. To that, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 egg, a 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Finish it off with a pinch of salt and then blend really well. As you can see here, I'm just alternating my pumpkin filling and my cheesecake filling. And then afterwards, I'm going to swirl them together. If you want to have more of a blend of the two flavors, you can just swirl it a lot more than I did. So here I'm just spreading over my vanilla cake mix on top of my mixture. I also thought about using a spice cake mix, but I could not find it anywhere in the stores. But if one of you tries it, please comment below and let me know how you like it. I wasn't sure how it would go with the cheesecake flavor, but either way, you can't really go wrong. Next, take a stick of unsalted butter, cut it into strips, and evenly distribute it over your cake mix. Another method is to melt the butter and then pour it evenly over the cake mix. For this recipe, because I'm using a 9x13 pan, I actually used about 1.5 sticks of butter. Bake in the oven at 375 for about 35 to 45 minutes or until you get a nice golden crust on top. Let cool for about 5 minutes before serving, and then enjoy. Thank you so much for watching On the Menu. I hope you guys love this recipe. Special thanks to you all for helping me get to 500 subscribers. Please be sure to like and share so we can keep growing this channel. I appreciate all your support. Thanks so much.